This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Mary Ross Ellsworth. Just updated the following: all new cabinets, countertops and new stainless steel appliances. All lighting replaced, painted and remodeled bath, flooring and carpet. Experience the exceptional lifestyle of Harbour View in Suffolk, where outdoor living and community amenities create a great place to call home. Enjoy 2 piers wonderful for fishing, kayaking, or exploring the waterways with community canoes. Scenic trails lead to Bill Jesse's Park, featuring an outdoor amphitheater and a full calendar of community events. Residents can also enjoy tennis and pickleball courts, adding even more opportunities for recreation. The optional swim club, staffed with a full-time director, offers year-round activities and events for the entire family. All of this is nestled within the highly sought-after riverfront area, with all its natural